Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is the inside of the 2023 Catalina Legacy Edition 313RLTSLE. Couples model. We have 3 slides, 2 awnings on the outside, but I'm going to concentrate on the inside today. Fireplace, JBL stereo system, Wi-Fi system. Lots of storage here. Couch folds out to a bed. This is what's called theater seating, recliners that are right across from your TV. 3-burner cooktop range oven, microwave, 12-volt refrigerator, kitchen island with lots of storage here. 2 air conditioners, blackout shades, motion activated panel, and this also comes, you can Bluetooth that right to your phone and run some slides and awnings, things like that with it. This is our shower area. Lots of storage here. 12-volt fan, nice big shower. This unit also comes equipped with a solar panel. This is our bedroom. USB ports and outlets on both sides of the bed. Individually controlled lights right above. More storage. Full front closet. These are some of our extra stuffs. Little safe. Water hose. Your unit's also equipped with a washer dryer prep. So if you wanted to put a washer dryer in there, you could, or leave it as a closet. And ready for another TV and our second air. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.